across the area today. We warmed up to a high of 96 degrees. Yeah, definitely feeling like summer. Oof. Very much warmer than where we should be this time of year. We're talking about roughly 17 degrees above the seasonal average. So hot, in fact, we almost broke a 95-year record. Check out that record set back in 1925. 98 degrees, we were off just by 2 degrees. No rain in the bucket, at least no measurable rain here in the city of Baltimore. We're watching the skies, though, because we are tracking the potential for some showers and thunderstorms, especially to the north. Watching Cecil County because they're right in line to see this line of thunderstorms that's been moving through Pennsylvania sink into the area. Looks like winds are going to be the primary risk here. You can see it starting to come into frame there. Still have a little bit of lead time, but folks there should at least be alert and aware of what's on the way. Here's a look at what's going down at the beach, and it's a completely different scene. The temperatures have been near 90 for most of the afternoon, and folks have been enjoying the scene, although less people there than about an hour ago when I took you here, but the numbers are nice everywhere across the state of Maryland. We're talking about upper 80s in Thurmont and Parkton, 91 in Columbia, 93 in Essex, and holding on to 90 degrees along the eastern shore. Those numbers are roughly 15 to 20 degrees warmer than where we were yesterday, so feeling like summer, even though we haven't officially started summer yet. That southerly flow is part of the reason to blame. The winds were upwards of 20 miles per hour earlier today, dying down to about 14 to 15 near the city. Expecting numbers to stay on the warmer side over the next few hours and for things to remain relatively dry, but those isolated showers and thunderstorms will start to trickle into the region once we get closer to the 9 o'clock hour, remembering some of those could be on the strong to severe side. A little breezy, but the winds are going to die down as we head through the night. 70 degrees. The overnight low, watching the potential for strong storms as we head into the day tomorrow. That's all due to a system passing to the north of us. And that's also going to be along that cold front that is going to kind of stall to the north of us and keep instability in place. And we're going to see more of that instability tomorrow, which is the reason why we're all under that level 1 risk for marginal strong to severe thunderstorms. Strong winds and hail will be the primary culprits here. Here's how we get through the day. Starting off with a mix of sun and clouds for the morning. I think that as we head into the afternoon, that's when we're really going to start to see some of these showers and thunderstorms firing up. And that means you need the umbrella for that evening commute getting into the house. We're going to be tracking some heavy rain and some thunderstorms. That's all going to linger through the evening hours, and I think we could even have a couple of stray showers for folks working that third shift. And as we head into the start of the day on Friday, sprinkles once again into the forecast. So planning your day tomorrow, while I do have a chance of showers in for earlier in the day, I think it starts to really rev up as we head into the afternoon. Temperatures getting into the upper 80s, daytime high of 90, and we're going to hang out near there for the next couple of days. A little bit cooler for your Sunday, and starting off next week, nice and seasonal with lots of sunny skies. But I wanted to give you an update on CRISTOBAL. 50 miles per hour, made landfall earlier today, moving to the southeast at about 3 miles per hour, thinking it's going to stay over land for at least another 24 hours and then eventually merge into the Gulf of Mexico and pose a risk for portions of Louisiana.
Thanks a lot, Patrick. You know, if you're watching us right now for free using an antenna, there are some changes coming your way. WMAR's Rescan Day is happening July 2nd. So if you're using an antenna to watch TV for free, you'll need to rescan your TV by July 2nd when WMAR moves to a new frequency.